Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Emmanuel and welcome back to yet another video from me. Today we're gonna look at how to use tasks inside Microsoft Teams. Without any further ado, let's get started. As you can see, there is a sidebar over here, and in the sidebar there is something called apps. If I click on apps, I will be redirected to the apps page here, and in the search area I'm gonna search for tasks. And there you go, there is tasks by planner and to do by Microsoft Corporation. I'm gonna click here and I'm gonna click on add. There you go guys, I've installed tasks, and if I wanted to pin it, if I could right click here and click on pin, there you go. The tasks has been pinned to the left sidebar over here, so that if I go back to chat and then come back, I'll be able to see the tasks directly. Or if I just unpin it and then go back to chats, I cannot see the tasks are still there. So what I can do is click on this three dots over here and click on tasks once again to see the tasks. So if I right click again and click on pin, there you go. If I go back to chat, the tasks button is still there. So this is how we pin these tasks to our Teams window. All right, once I am in the tasks area, there you can see there are four types of task lists here. So as you can see, I've created some tasks over here, and as you can see, if I click on important, I can see the tasks which are flagged important. And if I click on planned tasks, so I can see the task with a due date. And if I'm in a team and if some tasks are assigned to me, there'll be a task assigned to me which shows up here. So I'll go to my home tasks and I'm going to show you how to add a task. So there is an option to add a task here. If I click it here, I'm going to say dictate the terms to the team, and I'm going to set it to a important task, and I'm going to set the date to 10th of this month, and just click on this create task button over here. There you go. So this is a new important task that I have added, and as you can see, it will automatically get updated in the important tasks area. So if I wanted to edit any of this task, if I click on this task, and I can give a description to this task like dictate the terms and conditions of the organization to the new incoming junior team. There you go. And as you can see at the bottom, there is an option for checklist. This is like adding subtasks to the task that we have just created. So I'm gonna add a checklist to create employee IDs, and that is it. So as you can see, we have created a subtasks from the task that we have created, and here we can change the due date, or I can even change the priority to medium. So that is it guys. If I click on the three dots over here, I can actually copy the link to the task and send it to someone who can know what the task is, or I could just delete the task over here. Now I'll just close this. Once you have completed the task, all you have to do is set the task to be completed. So if I click on the mark task as complete button over here, the task is completed. So now if I go to my task, I won't be seeing the new task I just made. Actually, to look at the task that we have already completed, you can see here all the active tasks only show up here. So if you want to look at the completed task, you can go here and choose all active to completed. Here you can see the task which I just completed. So this is how you use tasks by planner and to do by Microsoft Teams. So I hope this video was very helpful to you. And before ending this video, I just wanted to say one more thing. I'll go back to the active tasks and I'm gonna add a task. I'm gonna see convey message to new recruits. right? And I'm not gonna set any due date, and I'm gonna create it. If I go to this task and click on the three dots over here, I can also set the progress to not started or completed, and I can also set up priority to important. So I can also set up due date, or I can just move task to a different area. So if I click on move task over here, I'm going to choose the destination to tasks and move. So these are the default lists that are there, and if I wanted to add one more list, I can just click on new list or plan, and I'm gonna give the name to be personal, and I'm gonna create it in Emmanuel Studio, which is my channel, and I'm gonna click on general and click on create. There you go, guys. I have set up the tasks for my channel over here, and if I go back to the Teams area over here, as you can see, there is a personal tab on top where you can actually add tasks which will be looked at by your team members. So I think this video was very helpful for you guys. If you have any questions about this or any suggestions, please leave it in the comments. If you like my video, give a thumbs up, and until I meet you guys in the next video, it's bye bye from Emmanuel. Take care, you guys. If you like my videos, please subscribe and look out for the other videos that I'm gonna post. Thank you for watching.